natural health for beginners.
Discover how to craft your own homemade toothpaste using natural ingredients. This step-by-step tutorial ensures you know the exact quantities needed for a healthy, eco-friendly, and effective oral hygiene solution. Perfect for those seeking to reduce chemical exposure and embrace sustainable living. Ingredients: baking soda, 2 tablespoons, cleans and neutralizes odors. Coconut oil, 1 tablespoon, natural antibacterial properties and smooth texture. Peppermint essential oil, 10 drops, freshens breath. Xylitol, 1 teaspoon, optional, for a slightly sweet flavor and oral health benefits. Activated charcoal, 1/2 teaspoon, optional, for whitening. Tools needed: a small mixing bowl, a spoon or spatula for mixing, a small airtight container for storage. Instructions: in a mixing bowl, combine the baking soda and coconut oil. Mix thoroughly until a smooth paste forms. Add the peppermint essential oil and mix again to distribute the flavor evenly. Optional: stir in xylitol or activated charcoal if desired for enhanced sweetness or whitening effects. Transfer the mixture to an airtight container. Usage: scoop a pea-sized amount onto your toothbrush. Brush your teeth as usual for about 2 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Benefits of homemade toothpaste: free from synthetic chemicals and preservatives. Cost-effective and customizable to your preferences. Helps maintain healthy teeth and gums with natural antibacterial agents. Say goodbye to store-bought toothpaste and hello to a natural alternative that's good for you and the planet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY tutorials.